Here's how I build projects in 2026. This is not traditional coding anymore, it's orchestration. When I get an idea, the first thing I do is open a new chat with GPT. Even if I already understand the concept, I brainstorm deeply. We challenge assumptions, we explore edge cases, we break it, we rebuild it. At the end of that conversation, I extract structure. That becomes my PRD, Project Requirements Document. If you don't know what PRD is, it's basically the blueprint of your product. Clear scope, clear features, clear constraints. In parallel, I use Gemini for research, market analysis, competitive landscape, gaps, opportunities. If the market doesn't need it, I pivot early. If there's opportunity, I refine the PRD again. Everything starts with clarity. Then I build a one pizza team. Before I write a single line of production code, I assemble what I call a one pizza team. Small, focused, high agency AI agents. This team can build the application from PRD to PR. And every team has a leader. I call mine El Capitan. He's my orchestrator. The workflow. When I delegate something, I don't delegate to a developer. I delegate to a system. El Capitan delegates to project manager. Project manager refines the PRD and defines execution steps. Then architect. Architect designs the system, writes the technical requirements document, defines structure, defines constraints. Then to developers. They implement. After implementation, back to architect for validation. Then testers. Testers cover it with tests, edge cases, failures, regression risks. Then back to project manager. Project manager verifies. Does the code actually match the PRD? If not, it goes back. And finally, El Capitan compiles a performance report. Who did what failed, what improved, where bottlenecks are. This is AI native product development. Dry run mode. Now here's something powerful. I often run my teams in dry run mode. Dry run means agents simulate everything. They create files, they generate structure, they plan execution, but they don't touch production. It lets me test the workflow safely. If I don't like how an agent behaves, I refine prompts, I adjust skills, I improve orchestration. Before real execution. That's critical. How you should work in 2026. If you have an idea, 1. Open GPT brainstorm. 2. Extract PRD. 3. Use Gemini research market. 4. Update PRD. 5. Build an AI agent team. 6. Define orchestration. 7. Connect tools. GitHub, Jira, MCP servers, whatever you need. Agents can create tickets, review PRS, communicate in Jira, generate reports, access tools via MCP, execute workflows. The limit is not the model, the limit is your system design. Why this matters? I maintain large AI products this way. Not one project, multiple, all orchestrated by agents. Software development 2.0 is not about writing code, it's about verification, orchestration, systems thinking. That's how I build in 2026, and that's how you stay ahead.